Mr. Speaker, our government is focused on what matters to Canadians: jobs, growth, and long-term prosperity. That's why our government made the strategic and historic decision to support the Canadian marine industry, to revitalize Canadian shipyards, and to build ships for the Navy and Coast Guards right here in Canada. It's been estimated the National Shipbuilding Procurement Strategy will contribute 15,000 jobs from coast to coast to coast and over $2 billion in annual economic benefits over the next 30 years. Can the Minister provide the House an update on this key job-creating strategy?
The Honourable Minister of Public Works.
Speaker, and I want to thank the member for his support for the Vancouver shipyard workers. Our government is very proud of our historic decision to build our ships for our Navy and Coast Guard right here in Canada, in Halifax and Vancouver. And great progress is being made. Both shipyards are investing hundreds of millions of dollars to upgrade their yards. And this Friday, I announced a series of contracts for our joint support ships, our polar icebreaker, and our offshore fisheries science vessels with the workers at Vancouver shipyards. Mr. Speaker, the National Shipbuilding Strategy means stability for the industry, it means good jobs and vital equipment for the Navy and Coast Guard.
The Honourable Member.